Whatever shall we do with him?
Let's barbecue and fillet.
Hang him on a hook and let me play with him.
No! Book, darling, come to mommy. Yes. His punishment must be more fulsome, more lingering. Dazzle me, my darling. Let's see, amnesia, bunions, chilblains, cholera.
We can do better than that, I think. Let's see what we have. Oh. Perfect. As usual. His punishment shall not be to die, but to live forever with his guilt.
As what, Winnie, as what?
Jump back. Twist the bones and bend the back.
Hiete decapita medica mystica.
Trim him of his baby fat.
Hiete decapita medica mystica.
Give him fur black as black, just
Like this.
Witches, daughters of darkness, open this door!
Hide the child!
Witches? There be no witches here, sir!